Alright, we have a kitchen sink today. This is the before, and these are three common areas on kitchen sinks that we see that often get missed. If you don't know, you don't know. Look at that. Now I'm just going to show you the difference the paste can make on this sink. Now this sink is pretty old, so it does look a bit drab after a while, but we can make it shinier. Now I went and did the rest of this sink off camera because it's really hard to do with one hand. And then I'm going to use my brush and get into all of the nooks and crannies. And I had to change my angle here because I just couldn't quite get enough pressure. I'll make sure that your brush is wet, and I find if I use my hand on the opposite side of where I'm brushing, I won't fly water and whatnot everywhere. Don't forget the nooks and crannies inside the sink and around the sink. You would be surprised how much builds up here. And then I'm just going to quickly do the splashback. Make sure you do your splashback last. As you can see, I made quite a mess. If you do it first, then you're going to be doing it twice. And then using water, I'm just going to wash all the paste away. And with my microfiber, I'm just going to take away the majority of the water. And with my glass cloth, I'm just going to polish up the sink. And then we have for the after. And you can see no more built up grime.